Now what you just noticed or witnessed me doing was in my brain, it's telling me that the bottoms of all of these aren't that clean enough. They're clean. You just watched me clean them. When I was doing my hand like that, my OCD brain tells me they're not clean enough. So when I took them out of the box from Amazon, they were, well, I didn't take them out of the box actually. They were taken out of the box and they were laid on something that I kind of wish they hadn't have been, because dirty shoes had been on a bag I had on the floor. So these were laid on that same bag. The shoes were gone, but where they were, these were laid there. So my brain tells me what I just did with just soap and water wasn't enough, that I need to go back under the bottoms of these and clean them again. That's why you saw me take my Comet cleaner with bleach, with bleach, and sprayed on the bottom of these. That's my OCD. You just watched me clean these, and this is what happens with OCD. The main issue with my OCD is when something isn't enough. It's like you did it, you didn't do it enough. And I mentioned in another video, I don't have a counting issue with OCD. I don't have to do things in 3s or 8s or 6s. I don't have to do that. Mine is very similar but different. I just go and go and go and go and go until my brain says either stop, okay, or enough. One of those three are gonna happen, and I shut off, and it sends that signal to my brain, we're good, you're good, clean enough, sanitized enough, stop. And that's just how it works for me. So you are watching me go back and pretty much just focus on the bottoms mainly. It's bleach, cleaner with bleach on the bottoms. So I feel okay just focusing on them. I think the rest of it is good. In the sink, I'd already had these in the sink for more than an hour, sprayed down with multiple cleaners. So they were already pretty good and sanitized. And if you also notice, I wouldn't sit them upright. I wouldn't sit them like this one. Now that I'm going over again to do the bleach clean, now I feel comfortable laying that on the surface of my counter. But not until I gave it that extra thorough clean on the bottom. I couldn't have set them on my counters until I feel like, okay, bleach, bleach, bleach. In my brain, bleach is the next thing to sterilization in the house. It's the next thing to cleaning. It's highest level of sanitation in the house. You gotta go medical grade to get sterilization. I don't know of a way I can sterilize anything in my home, but this is what helps my OCD brain shut off. Do this one more time, because it was set on top of something where dirty shoes had been, and I would have never set it there in the first place. But again, I didn't take them out of the box and sit them. So they kind of got there, not by way of me. So I probably wouldn't be doing this extra step, because I would have taken them out of the box and just went ahead and set them somewhere semi-clean. Got 2 more to go. Just focusing on the bottom where I did the bleach. Now, I won't even do a whole lot if you notice. I'm not doing a lot. Just enough to satisfy my brain. Just enough to satisfy my brain. And last one. I will sit these on a towel and let them dry. We are done. I don't really know the significance and the difference to this one. This is one I always normally get. This one was in Amazon. This one is usually $10.99. When I get it at its lowest, it can be up to $14.99. When I went to re-up some, they were $14.99. I said absolutely not. So I just started searching the website for anything I could find, and these popped up. I've never gotten these. I'm like, wait a minute, 160 wipes. That also says 160 wipes. I'm like, the one I get say 160 wipes. This was $14.99. These jokers was on Amazon for $5.99. You see how many I got, right? You see how many I jumped on. Literally got 6. The issue with getting them, when I ordered, they had a 3 limit. I got 3 and I tried to order some more. They literally had it capped off. You could only get 3. So then I jumped on another email address and used another Amazon account and got 3 more. That's how I got 6. Now I don't know what the cutoff, the time frame before they'll let you order more, but these were $5.99 and these were $14.99. Same wipes. This one says super in the purple. This one says plus in the red. I don't know why. $5.99 versus $14.99. Baby, I hopped on these and got 6. I would have gotten as many as I could if there wasn't a cap off. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.